We're going to start things out by taking a live look at, guess where? Galveston, Texas. And there's a bit of snow on the ground in between those palm trees, snow all the way on the beach, right up to the Gulf Coast. An absolutely impressive winter storm. That looks to be just a little dusting. Not too far away over New Orleans, well, you had a scene that looked like this. Look at the snowman. Doesn't he look pretty happy out there in the 10 inches officially of snowfall in Nala yesterday? That is a full-size snowman. The most I was able to build this year is probably like that tall in the Outdoor Weather Center. We have not nearly had this much snow at all. A really, truly impressive and historic winter storm across the southern U.S. A few of my friends were sharing me pictures like you just saw. And of course, the tape measures and honestly just finding anything to measure how much snow did we get? Is that even believable? Yeah, we got about 8 inches plus on the right side here, 5.5 inches on the left, and it was still snowing at this moment. So really impressive, historic stuff, like once in a lifetime kind of snowfall.